model. I want you to tell me all about it and how you made it.
Certainly. So it started off as an ABC BRE Z kit from ABC Hobby Japan. We
Okay.
have the unpainted kits available now. It comes as a clear body with instructions for masking the paint, a full sticker sheet, and an assembled chassis. So essentially all I've done is put it together and put a little color on it. So the chassis comes fiberglass reinforced plastic.
Yeah. God,
Great
beautiful.
shell.
Really,
Yeah, good
really
starting
nice.
point.
Excellent.
And
I
I've
can't
installed
believe how accurate the model is, but you've really done a beautiful job putting it together. It's just so accurate.
Thank you. So I started with the body.
Yeah.
I first washed it to get rid of any residue inside from manufacture.
Yeah.
Then I used a standard painter's tape to mask off the BRE livery. Shot it red on top, white on the bottom, of course, just as you did
Right.
your Zs and 510s back in the day.
Well,
From
I mean,
there,
just getting all the stripes and everything is so good.
yeah, they made that easy. Those are
okay.
included in the sticker kit as part of the livery.
Oh, okay.
So once the paint was done, there's a protective wrap you remove.
Yeah.
Then you're ready to put the stickers on, cut them out of the sheet, and install them. So I cut them nice and close to minimize any borders you
Yeah.
might see. So once the stickers were on and the look was really completed, I thought it needed a little more. So I painted the wheels. It comes with
God,
two
the
sets
wheels
of
look
wheels.
so good. I'll tell you, those really are accurate.
Yeah, they give you a white set and a black set
Yeah.
in the box. So I pulled the black set and painted them gunmetal for the centers,
Yeah.
and then chrome around the lips to get that magnesium race look. Then I took some really fine, some 64th inch pinstriping tape, and I put
Yeah.
it in all the body lines.
Yeah,
So-
that's the thing that makes it so detailed. Yeah, it looks
Yeah, that
really good.
really sets it off. That's if you really want to make a well-detailed model and have a lot of fun with it, that was one
Well,
of the best
even if
things
you
to
didn't
do.
run this, I mean, this would make such a great shelf model. I mean, you wouldn't have to even have the running gear in it. Just the body work and detail work on it is so accurate. It's just amazing.
Yeah, to see all the creases in the body, I mean, it really is
Yeah.
so precise to a full-size Z. You've got
Yeah.
all the little markings you would in the fenders and the bumper mounts, all sorts of things. They even include a BRE rear spoiler.
Yeah. That's great.
So that's to be painted separately and mounted on the car afterwards.
Oh, okay, with the little extra dots and in here, yeah.
Yep, and then one detail I added were taillights. So it comes with full stickers, including the red part of the taillight, but
Yeah.
rather than just have the sticker over it, I decided to cut that part out of the sticker
Yeah.
and shine some LEDs through it.
God, that's great.
I was inspired because the kit comes with the taillight bucket.
Oh, really?
So
Okay.
yeah, all you need to do is paint them a silver reflective
Yeah.
on the inside, and then secure them to the body to hold the lights.
It just gives the car such accuracy. It's really, really nice.
Yep. And to make it move like your race cars, once the body was done, I installed some electronics into the chassis. The kit doesn't come with any of the electronics, but it's all standard sized stuff.
Yeah.
If you're in the RC hobby, you probably have a lot of these things laying around in your spare bin like I did. If you're new to it, there really isn't a way to go wrong. Things like the motor, ESC, the steering servo are all standard sized components, so you're able to mate those to the chassis with great ease.
Well, one thing, you know, how long did it take you to do this? The time that you took it out of the box till the time it's running?
I'd estimate hour-wise. probably about 10 hours of work.
Is that
to get
all?
done.
God,
Yeah,
that's incredible.
it's a lot of fun. It's a great
yeah.
hobby. You can sit down for an hour, a couple of hours each
Yep.
night, and just do little pieces of it, and just really have fun with it. And an expert professional detailer might take double or triple the time to
Yeah.
really get down into it.
God, I
But,
can't imagine being any better. It's looking beautiful.
And for an amateur hobbyist like me who just wants to put something together and have some fun, there's really no way to beat it.
oh, it's
They
beautiful.
give you everything you need, and if you want to add extra detail,
Yeah.
that's up to you and easy to do.
All right. Well, let's see you run it.
Yeah, let's move it around.
Awesome. Really, really fantastic. Just a beautiful, beautiful job. Get over all the detail on it. That is just fantastic. That's so beautiful.
Thank you.
Absolutely great.
It was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
And you can get yours on brelegacy.com right now.
All right. Great. Thank you. You have to
Thank
build
you.
2 of them so we can race it. Get the number 3 car.
That's actually a great point.
Yeah.
You can select which livery you'd like. So they have the number 3Z in addition to this one.
Oh, great. So we have
On,
both the team cars.
Yep, both the Team Z's. And on the 510 kit, you can choose from the 35, the 46, the 68, and the 85.